Hey YouTube, today we're going to talk about our electrically charged pin filter kits for your solvent traps. You can check out our YouTube channel or our YouTube video on actually using your solvent trap to clean out the fluid, how to do it, what filters to use, and the valve to get the fluid out of your stuff and keeping your firearms clean and stuff like that. Very good video, lots of views. So go check that out. Also, subscribe and like the channel, please, so that we know exactly what you guys want. We make a lot of different products for cleaning firearms and for specialty firearms use, and we love America, and we love to keep doing this stuff. So we want to keep bringing you the latest and greatest products. So we have guys that are just, I mean, they're geniuses kind of at what they do, and they come up with this stuff, and it's just amazing. Anyway, so today we're going to talk about our D Maglite sized pin filter kits. Each kit comes like this. For the D size Maglite flashlights, they're the 3D cell. Obviously this kit will do 2D or 3D sized cell Maglites. This kit comes with 5 pin filters, a spring, and some mesh screens. And we're going to show you today what it is and how they work. So, first thing you'll see, we take a look at this. This is the pin filter, okay? Made from 6061 aluminum, military grade aluminum. The pins themselves are chemical resistant epoxied in. They're machined within a tolerance of 1/100th, so it is extremely accurate, and you'll see how this works. So you're going to take a couple of these. Actually, you're going to take all of them. Let me move it around here. I'm going to take these all out. And I'll show you how this works. All right, let's get rid of that. So these are the pin filters. Like I said, they work really well. They are electrically charged, so they actually collect debris. Debris actually sticks to them. It's kind of like a magnet for dust and dirt and firearm debris and stuff like that. So when you run your fluid through your tube, it actually drains across the filters, and we'll show you. So we've just got one of our tubes. This is the King Cobra tube. It's actually a very popular tube of ours. Customers love this knurl. It's a heavy knurl, and it's a very thick tube. Super thick. I mean, this thing is massively thick. It's very heavy. So you're basically going to take your filter, okay, and you're going to slide them in. There's one. And you're going to take a mesh screen. Drop it in. It'll automatically center itself. There it is. And take another one, in it goes, and another screen. Automatically centers itself. Another one, you can go this way or this way, it doesn't matter. The fluid is going to go across the screen and automatically drip across all the pins. It's kind of tricky to kind of figure that out. Took a while for our guys to do that, but they worked out good. All right, so we're going to do that. We're going to do another mesh. And you'll see that lines up just right in there. Go like that. Another one. Like that. Like that. And then you've got your spring. And your spring basically allows you to hold it in place. Now, let me see, did I put one in there? Yeah, there's one already in there. You have 5. I must have missed one. Anyway, it comes with 5 of the fine mesh filters. That goes inside. This tightens down. Oh, I got the spring in the other way. Sorry, my bad. I was wondering, I'm like, why is that not really going in? Spring's the wrong way. There we go. And now you have, and obviously you're going to install your valve. You know, you've got your valve. You're going to drill that out, and you're going to install your valve. Open the valve. And when you hook up your firearm, the fluid is literally going to run across the screens and filter through all the pins. and it's going to filter through the mesh screen. It's going to run across all the pins, and what you're going to find is when you, after you've installed this, you can literally just turn this, and the clean fluid will come out of your solvent trap, and you are good to go. And you can then, of course, remove these. You can remove them. You can see the spring keeps the tension, and you'll be able to wash them. And you can wash everything out, one after another. Very simple. And the fluid that you get out will be clean. The spring's holding it in place probably. There it is. And that's it. You can clean out your tube, you can clean out your filters, and it's totally reusable, 100%. Does an amazing job as a solvent trap. Absolutely amazing. You'll love the product. Like I said, the kit comes enough for an 8.5-inch tube. Very, very, very effective in cleaning your firearms, and works very, very, very well. So, again, subscribe to the channel, please. Like, tell your friends about it. PreppersDiscount.com. Don't be fooled by any of the imitators. PreppersDiscount.com. We sell the kits, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.